Hello YouTube, Jaksha this side. Let's get started. I'm back again with Kali installation on our macOS. I have done it long back, but system are different now. In this video, I will be using latest UTM as well as the Kali 22.2. For this, I will be using this site. I will be providing this site in the description as well. I am using this site because on the official Kali website, 22.3 is already released. And I have tested that installation of 92.3, but I faced an issue of blank screen. I tried to resolve it, but I wasn't able to. So I'm using this 22.2, and later on we will upgrade it to 22.3. As you can see, I have already downloaded it on my desktop. Let me open the UTM. Let's type UTM in our Spotlight. As you can see, the interface is totally different now. We can create a machine by clicking on the plus sign and click on the virtualize, because we are using the ARM bare metal. From here we can browse and select our ISO file. As you can see, I'm using 22.2 installer ARM64 and the size is 2.42 gigabyte. I'll be keeping the RAM to 2 GB and storage 40 GB will be enough. Let's continue with the default. Let's add the shared directory later on. uh, I I will change the name to Kali. Let's keep it Kali ARM. Kali ARM will be good. Yeah, let's save it. Keeping all the setting default. As you can see, the machine is created. I will change the logo to Kali. It won't affect, but I'm changing it for I'm trying to customize it. And you can see I'm leaving all the setting to default. I'm not adding any extra USB or anything. The latest UTM will configure everything automatically. That previously we had to do and add all the drive manually, which is quite a complex. Let's boot the system. We will go with the install, not the graphic install. Even in 22.2, if we click on the graphic install, it will keep on blank. So let's install it without the GUI. It is even easy in this mode also. Let's provide the username. I will go with Diksha and password. Now the install is nearly completed. Let's select the desktop environment. I will go with the default XFCE, and which is currently selected. If you want to change it, you can hit and go down with the arrow key and hit enter, and to click on the continue, we can use the tab. Click on the tab, so the cursor will shift to continue. Now the installation is complete. We can hit enter. It will reboot the system. Let's hit enter. The system is rebooting, and as we can see, we are again back in the log installation screen. Now here's come the tricky part. Just shut down the system manually and remove the ISO file from the CD drive and reboot the system. As you can see that we have our Kali running on our Mac OS, and here are some permission needed. Let's grant them and let's log in into our system. Now we have our Kali installed, but there are some update and needed to be done in order to be fully functional. It is 22.2, so let's update it to 22.3, and then we will also install spice-vdagent tool, so we can enable folder sharing and clipboard sharing. Let's first update the repository. Now let's upgrade it. The upgradation has started. It will take a while. I will just skip it. Now the update is completed, and as we can see we have a 22.3 installed. Now let's install the spice-vdagent tool so that we can enable clipboard sharing. So this is the command for installing the spice-vdagent tool. Since we cannot copy it, so let's type it manually. The installation is complete, but we need to restart the system such that the clipboard sharing and folder sharing will start working. Let's restart the system. As you can see, the size has increased 22.17 gigabyte. So let's restart the system and check if the clipboard setting is working or not. And you can see the car boots very fast on our Mac. Let me open terminal and let's copy something from our Mac. Let's say this command and just try to paste it. As you can see, the command is pasted, so the spice-vdagent tool is installed perfectly. And let's also check the internet connection if it is working or not. So open Wikipedia and you can see the internet is also working. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please leave a like and comment your doubts. I will try to reply, and also subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.